Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making a very interesting breakfast recipe, stuffed parantha, which is way different from the usual aloo, paneer or gobi parantha which we normally make. This is a masala parantha which tastes super awesome and you'll truly like this crispy masala parantha. So let's quickly see how to make this recipe. Friends, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of new recipes. Firstly, we will take 1/4 teaspoon of Ajwain or Carom seeds. Then we will take 2 teaspoons of Kasturi Methi or dried Fenugreek leaves. We will crush it like this, or even you can crush it in your palm. Into this we will add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we will take 1 bowl of whole wheat flour or atta. And we will also add 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. In this we will add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. And now we will combine everything together. We basically want a khasta dough for our chapati. And let's knead dough using water. Do not add water in one go, as I always say. Just keep on adding little bit and continue to knead the dough. And our dough is ready. We'll allow the dough to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. While the dough is resting, we'll prepare stuffing for our parantha. For this, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Into this, we'll splutter 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. I will also add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds or dhania. After sauteing it for 1 minute, then we'll add 1 chopped onion. We will saute onion for another minute. Also, we will add few green chilies. We'll allow the onions to turn little brown in color. Once the onion turns little brown, then we'll add chopped tomatoes. Now we'll cook this stuffing until the tomatoes turn little meshy. Here you can see tomatoes have become absolutely soft. Now at this stage we'll add 1/4 cup of gram flour or besan. We'll cook it well. Now we'll add all our seasonings. Here goes salt as per taste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, Garam Masala, and I will add little Amchur powder. And now we'll cook this masala or the stuffing well for another 5 to 7 minutes till the gram flour is cooked properly. And friends, our onion tomato stuffing is ready. We'll turn off the flame and then we'll allow it to cool down completely. So friends, we'll take 1 small ball of the dough which we had prepared. Dust little dry flour and roll it with the help of a rolling pin. We'll place the stuffing in the center and we'll close it. Just press it gently and ensure it is properly closed. Dust little more flour. And then roll it again. And our parantha is ready to cook. Here all my paranthas are ready. Let's cook it. Keep the flame on low-medium side while cooking the parantha. Friends, our masaledar stuffed paranthas are ready. Just look at this. With onion tomato stuffing, you'll truly gonna love these paranthas. Very different from usual aloo parantha, paneer parantha, gobi parantha. Try out this parantha recipe when nothing is available, only used onion and tomatoes. I'm sure you will really like the taste. So friends, do try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.